Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Rachel and this is my channel. It is currently January 2nd. I don't even know what I'm gonna call this video. It's kind of a New Year's vlog. It's kind of just a productive vlog. It's just a vlog.
Got me some type of way with every passing day. Don't let it go to waste. Don't know how much time we have, and it's so hard for me to say what's really on my mind. I hope someday you'll realize that I just want you by my side. No, I can't deny you're the one I'm missing. You help me get by. Don't really know you, but I feel like I do. Don't need a reason why, I just vibe with you.
I just finished my 2023 reflections, basically reflecting on my failures, manifestations, achievements, opportunities, as well as I added like some things that I let go of. I also finished creating my comprehensive list of goals that I have for myself for 2024. One mindset that I had when I was looking at my list once I was completely done is I looked at it and I was like, most of this is stuff that I could accomplish in 6 months. Like, setting these goals, this feels, rather than like an entire year's worth of goals, it feels like a 6-month like section of time. And then I asked myself, okay, so if I feel like it's reasonable that these are like 6-month goals, how could I actually accomplish them in 3 months? Not necessarily as a way of like putting that pressure on myself. I feel like it gave me some perspective when I recognized there's so much opportunity every day to accomplish the goals that we have. I'll speak from my own experience. I feel more comfortable putting goals off into the future, not as a way to procrastinate maybe, but it just feels safer to hold your goal close to your chest and like keep it to yourself and not actually dive all in and try to make it happen fast. It feels like the logical thing to do, but it actually is a function of fear, at least for myself. And I feel like that's oftentimes why New Year's resolutions don't really work for me. I can set the resolution, but then I'm like, this is something I'm gonna accomplish in a year. Well, since I have a year, I don't take the necessary action right away. But if I say these are things I want to accomplish in 3 months, well, that creates a little bit more of some immediacy. Is that a word? Like, I'm gonna take action right away because I want to get it done in 3 months.
No, I can't deny. Don't let it go to waste. Don't know how much time we have, and it's so hard for me to say what's really on my mind. I hope someday.
This is currently what my room looks like because I started doing a tarot / oracle card reading earlier today, and then I never finished it, and so I wanted to leave it here because I feel like there's important messages, but I haven't finished yet, and I just felt like I should point that out, that this is the current state of my room. I don't know why. I think it's kind of funny, to be honest. So even though my room is not completely clean and I still have not finished this tarot card reading, I am going to be going for a walk outside. Walks are so helpful for me. It's super important for my mental health. It makes me feel good. It's movement for my body, so it's exercise, and it's one of those activities or habits that when I do it, I am happier and more fulfilled. So I'm going to go do that now.
Butterflies. Wow,
So I'm getting ready to go to the grocery store, and I look kind of insane because I have like 3 layers of clothes on. We just had like a snowstorm and we have really cold temps, really high winds right now, but I have to go to the grocery store because the amount of food that I have right now is so low that like I will not be able to feed myself if I do not go to the grocery store. So not the best look, but that's okay because I'm prioritizing warmth over fashion in this instance. Just got back from the grocery store and I have like all these bags of food, and I wanted to do a grocery haul, so I'm gonna like lay it out and organize it on the floor of my dorm, and then I'm going to do an overlay and show you what all I got.
With you, but I admit that I feel scared, don't know what to do.